Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a Sparkasse card to Google Pay. Now the first thing I want you to do is launch the app, go and select the card that you want to add to Google Pay, and then here under functions I want you to scroll down until you see Google Pay. As you can see, it says not activated. I want you to click on this and it will redirect you here. It says welcome to Google Pay. We need to activate our cards. So you can click here on let's go, and then you select the card that you want to activate and add. We'll choose this one, and then just come here, add to Google Pay. Tap on this one. It'll basically transfer the data to Google and activate Google Play as well. Tap here on add, and then they'll ask you, do you want to create a digital card? Okay, and you'll see your card number right here, and you only have a few minutes. There's a timer, so click here on approve. And then you'll get this message saying it's thank you, and they will redirect you soon. And then on your Google Wallet app, you should see your card. Really that easy. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.